Hi there, this is Muhammad Abbas from Computer Tech Skill. In this tutorial, I'll try to make you understand all about track changes and how to give password to your document. So let's try to understand that. If I go and apply track changes, this option is now applied. And if I go for a review pane, if I go for simple markup, and if I change this to all markups, now what I have to do, I'll teach you this in two ways. For example, I have given task to any of the buddy and I want to make him understand that you have to be editing in my paragraph. So whatever he will edit will be shown to me. Like for example, there's someone who wants to edit something in this. For example, let's suppose he's editing that, also editing this place, also editing this place, also editing this place. So if I come back after a few of the minutes or maybe after several of the hours, so whatever he will edit will be so much easy for me to understand or to judge that. And let me tell you the second way. So let me go one step back or maybe two steps back. Let me remove the comments. And this is the second method, that for example, if I have my personal data and I don't want someone to edit my own data, personal data, because this is my personal data, and I'll start track changes. So whatever he will edit, it will be shown to me and it will be so much easy for me to understand that my personal data is edited. Like for example, someone is editing there and there and there, also there. So whatever will be edited in my personal document will be so much easy for me to understand. You can also go for review pane vertical. You can also see or observe there that what sort of things or what sort of stuff is edited. If you want to accept that, there's no way that you will accept that, because this is your personal data, so you'll be rejecting that. In case you want to accept that, you have to be going for accept and move to text, and if you want to reject that, you have to be going for reject and move to next. See, reject all changes and stop tracking. Let me go one step or two steps back, and this is sort of option that you want to go for the next or the previous edited things. You can also use that. And let me tell you the last thing, that is known as restrict editing. Go for this one. Let me reject all of the things because this looks so awkward. Let me go for restrict editing because I want to give the password to my personal data. I don't want anyone to edit my data or maybe do so more in my data. So I have to be going for this option, allow only this one, and also yes, start enforcing protection. Try to password that or try to give the password to this 123 and also 123. Now no one can edit that. You can see, you can listen the sound of the keyboard that I'm using, but none of the things are being typed. See, so this is what is the method of using restrict editing. And if you want to remove this back, go for stop protection 123 and you can also edit so more. So that's all for today's tutorial. I hope you have enjoyed today's tutorial, in which I have taught you some of the interesting things which you can utilize and use according to your need. I hope you have enjoyed the tutorial. If you did, please give a thumbs up, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more. Thank you so much for watching the tutorial. I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye bye for now.